Team Swagathon from Western New England University in Springfield, Massachusetts. I'm Nicholas Herman, that's Paul Rose, Alec Busey, and Neil Howard.
Alright, so basically what our design is we want to be able to use our hand gestures to control everyday functions. So what we built is our hand gesture would be able to control our music output. So in our case, when we move our hand one way, volume would increase. Another, you would play, pause, or skip or go to a previous song, and things like that.
Yeah, so to come up with the idea, we kind of just went through our daily lives. That's what we like to do, and come up with ideas that maybe we can improve on, or things that maybe annoy us, or just things we can make adjustments to. And me personally, I'm a big runner, do cross country, and for me, taking out my smartphone every few minutes to change a song that I might not like, or change a playlist, or stuff like that is maybe sometimes a hassle. So our project is kind of along the lines of new smart watches that are on the market right now, except it's not the actual interface, it's just fluent motions that you have.
One of the things that we could have improved upon is we were trying to get Bluetooth to work, but we just couldn't figure it out. So with the time constraint, we figured we'd just wire it all up. You kind of have to have this giant thing in your arm, but eventually we could fix that. And I think what we would want to do is make a glove instead of just a wristband around the center of your arm.
I know this looks fashionable, but
So this is kind of what we use to calibrate the pitch and roll of the actual accelerometer that we use, the gyroscope. And it gives us roll, pitch, and yaw values, so we can use that as variable constraints for different motions in the hand.
so like, first of all, we use music. So, who doesn't like music? So that's why we did it. And so when I wave my hand up, I can control volume. If I go sideways, maybe next song. Next song. Wait, you like that other song? We'll go back to it. So basically just playing with our hand motion, I can pause a song by doing that, and then give it a volume again. That was a poor demonstration. There we go. Get it back again.
And so this push button under here that we have is so that maybe you're running out and you don't want the function going while you're, driving away or whatever.
So
Play with my arms around.
Yeah. So when you push the button in, it activates all the functions of the motion, and then you're allowed to actually control.
So button sets as like a reset. When I press the button, I can control my music. But then when I let go, I can move my hand freely as you would normally, and that way it's not interfering.
That's pretty much the concept of it. If we were to keep doing it, we'd probably do it as Bluetooth, just so he wouldn't have to have the strap on his arm. And I think that's about it.
Yeah, we also kind of wanted to interface it with some media, possibly Twitter, displaying, what song you might be listening to at the time. But we had a lot of fun here. This was our first hackathon, so thank you guys for coming out and doing this with us.